Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, this is exactly the point, but it makes no difference and no less an institution than the Supreme Court of Nigeria has already explained to us that look, nobody cares. So now with that guys, I bring you this. Obaseki was disqualified by someone who does not even have a certificate. Wike turns Oshiomhole. So this is now Governor Wike standing up for Governor Obaseki and pointing to the guy that is now querying this guy's school cert. So they are querying that Obaseki does not have school cert. That is why they are disqualifying him from running for a second term in Edo State. But Obaseki, of course, went to University of Ibadan, and that institution has come out to confirm that he graduated from there. But now the person now pointing in his direction, querying what his credentials are, no less a figure than somebody like Oshiomhole, who, if he has any certificate, it will be from the pool house, from the betting shop. That is the only certificate that this sort of a person will have. And of course, I made the Supreme Court reference because who is the leader of Nigeria and where is his certificate? So that makes no difference. These people are just street fighters, and this is what they do. Again, the headline: Obaseki was disqualified by someone who doesn't have a certificate. Wike turns Oshiomhole. So now let's now see what Governor Wike has to say. Governor Nyesom Wike has taken a swipe at the chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC, Adams Oshiomhole, barely a day after meeting with Governor Godwin Obaseki, who was recently disqualified by APC screening committee. Oshiomhole, who commented on the disqualification of Obaseki, who he has had a running battle with, said the National Working Committee (NWC) of the APC discovered contradictions in the governor's National Youth Service Corps (NYSC) and higher school certificates. Reacting to this in a tweet he shared on Monday, June 15, after his meeting with Obaseki on Sunday, June 14, Wike stated that Obaseki was disqualified by someone who doesn't have a certificate. He further described it as an irony. So now, of course, it is an irony, but then, of course, that is exactly the entirety of the Nigerian story, and that story is led frontally by Malam Buhari, who we were told by the Supreme Court that it doesn't matter if he has a certificate or not, even if it's NEPA bill. I think somebody said even if it is NEPA bill, they will accept it. So NEPA bill president and no school cert national chairman kicking out a University of Ibadan graduate as not being fit for purpose. So that is the Nigerian story all summed up in that little cameo right there, the tale of the Nigerian state. Come share thoughts, but before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me if you have a stronger word than irony that Governor Wike used to describe this. Come tell me what words you would use to describe this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on within the comment section. But here I say peace.